5 years on the East Coast, it was time to...
Stupid lever.
Grove Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real. I miss you these 5 years, man. They're gonna be real happy to see you. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
Ballers! Drive-by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker! We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead. Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
I get so bad. I thought this was family's turf.
These shoes.
Yeah, this simple ride that. There's nothing wrong with them no more. Move it, CJ, move it.
And who are you?
Keep up, CJ.
I gotta meet some very important record people. Don't get
Come on, CJ. Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up.
Keep up, motherfucker!
Damn!
You just a liability, CJ!
Yeah, I'm just killing time here. Hello, Mariposa. What you looking at?
Why you bother coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog? Was it this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Move it, CJ. You embarrassing us, nigga. I got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga.
So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.